Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the stainless kettle closely. Any dents or debris affect heating. Next, add cold water to the minimum or maximum mark. This protects element life and prevents boiling over. Once filled, make sure the lid snaps securely and the spout is unobstructed. Plug in the base and position the kettle flat. This ensures even contact and safe current flow. You're started now. Short checks save problems later and keep your tea crisp and metallic flavors minimal. Once powered, the element transfers heat quickly through stainless steel. You'll hear increasing hums and sea steam at the spout. As it approaches boiling, lift the kettle by the insulated handle. This protects you from heat conduction. Make sure to open the lid slightly before pouring to vent pressure and reduce spurt. Pour in a steady, controlled motion toward the target cup or pot. This prevents splashing and maintains temperature. After pouring, return the kettle to base and switch off immediately to save energy and prevent dry run damage. After use, unplug and allow the kettle to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Stainless contracts and expands, so slow cooling prevents warping. For cleaning, descale periodically using 1 part white vinegar to 1 part water or citric acid. Boil, soak 15 minutes, then rinse well. This restores efficiency. If the kettle fails to heat, first confirm base alignment and power at the outlet, then inspect for heavy limescale or a blown fuse. If those checks fail, consider replacement parts or professional service to avoid electric hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.